Welcome to the Kagiko & Associates Fast Track to Practical Accounting PAYE quiz. This is the Kenya PAYE compliance quiz, designed to test your knowledge. It is presented by Kagiko & Associates. The Kenyan PAYE system is a cornerstone of tax compliance. Mistakes can lead to significant financial penalties. This challenge helps employers, HR, and finance managers benchmark their PAYE understanding. Question 1 of 5. According to KRA regulations, what is the strict deadline for both remitting PAYE deductions and filing the corresponding PAYE return for a given month? Select your answer from the options provided. The correct answer is B, on or before the 9th day of the following month. KRA mandates that employers must deduct tax and remit the amounts to KRA on or before the 9th day of the following month. The PAYE return must also be filed by this deadline. Missing this date triggers immediate penalties. Question 2 of 5. If an employer files their PAYE return late, what is the penalty imposed by the KRA? Choose the appropriate penalty. The correct answer is C, the higher of 25% of the tax due, or Kenya shillings, 10,000. KRA applies separate penalties for non-compliance. The late filing penalty is the higher of 25% of the tax due, or Kenya shillings, 10,000. Late payment incurs a 5% penalty, plus 1% interest per month on the unpaid tax. Question 3 of 5. What is the maximum monthly value of meals provided by an employer to an employee that is not chargeable to PAYE? Choose from the options. The correct answer is C, Kenya shillings, 5,000 per month. Gains from employment not paid in cash are taxable if they exceed certain limits. The meal benefit is tax-exempt up to Kenya shillings 5,000 per month. Any other general benefit is taxable if its value exceeds Kenya shillings 5,000 monthly. Question 4 of 5. What is the maximum annual insurance relief an employee can claim for premiums paid on a qualifying life, health, or education policy? Select the correct amount. The correct answer is B, Kenya shillings, 60,000 per annum. Insurance relief is calculated at 15% of premiums paid, but capped at a maximum of Kenya shillings, 60,000 per year. Since January 2022, NHIF contributions also qualify for this relief. Question 5 of 5. As per the Affordable Housing Act, 2024, what is the mandatory contribution rate for the Affordable Housing Levy for both the employee and the employer? Pick the right contribution structure. The correct answer is C, 1.5% from the employee and 1.5% from the employer. The Affordable Housing Act, 2024, mandates a 1.5% contribution from both the employee and the employer, based on the employee's gross monthly salary. The combined amount must be remitted within 9 working days after the end of the month. Compliance is a continuous process. Regulations evolve, so staying informed is vital to avoid penalties. Use this video as a checkpoint for your processes and knowledge base. For more tax insights and training, please contact Kagiko & Associates.